So here is another update on the DF drone. I just set up the communication with the LoRa module, which is this one here with the spiderweb, and the ESP32. So these two are connected together. And the transmitter is this one here, which is the ESP32, and also the LoRa module in here, which is connected to the laptop where I can give the commands to the drone. So you can see that the laptop is now only the system for the transmitter, and in here I have the drone, which is separate, and at the moment is powered by the power supply. So when I switch on the power supply, this one will set up. Now is 15 volts, is only consuming some power to power up. Everything is now set up for the drone. You can see that in here is receiving and transmitting. You know this by the LED that you can see in here. And then in here we have the code running. So we have the transmitter, which is sending already some information to the drone. So when I click the space bar, now in here it will say it's armed. So I can now start to control the drone with the keyboard. So here I'm setting up already some values for the motors. Now the motors are spinning. You see all the motors are now spinning because I just give the input from the keyboard. So as I give more throttle, you should also hear the motors spin up faster. And I'm actually controlling them from this keyboard here. So I can decrease, of course, the spin of the motors, and I can increase it from the keyboard. So now this is set up. Now we have the PID that needs to be set up correctly, and then also to clean up the junk in here. So now this is only for testing, because like this I know what kind of connection I have to establish. Also you can see there is some jacking here that I need to clean up. So this is just for testing to know that everything is working correctly. And as usual, if you want to follow up the project, and also if you want to take more courses, we have also other courses in the EMI Control Academy here. And you can find the project as well with all the tutorial that I've done so far. So this is tutorial number 9, where we set the communication, and we are actually starting to switch from Arduino IDE to the VS Code, so that we start to build more professional software as well for the drone. So everything is in here. You can find out more at the EMI Control Academy, and I'll see you there.